We're checking out these RedRock door handle covers in gloss black, designed to fit 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500s. These are going to be a perfect option for Ram owners who want to enhance their truck's appearance with a sleek, custom look while protecting their factory door handles, or get rid of some chrome from the factory. These RedRock door handle covers provide a stylish and functional upgrade to your 1500. Crafted to seamlessly fit over your existing handles, these covers feature a gloss black finish that gives your truck a modern, blacked out aesthetic that will perfectly complement any other black accessories or trim that you're going to have on the truck. The design ensures full coverage of the door handles, helping to shield them from scratches, dings, or other minor damage. And the covers are made out of ABS plastic, which is known for its durability, resistance to weather, UV rays, and impacts. The covers are precision molded for a perfect fit, ensuring they securely fit into place. Now when it comes to the build, these door handles are made from automotive grade ABS plastic like I mentioned, which provides strength and longevity without adding any excessive weight. The gloss black coating not only looks great, but is also resistant to fading, maintaining a fresh, polished appearance even in harsh weather conditions and prolonged sun exposure. The adhesive backing is strong and reliable, ensuring a firm, long-lasting bond to your door handles. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, the RedRock door handle covers come in right around that $70 range, making them an affordable option for upgrading your truck's style without breaking that bank. Now, installing these door handles is going to be super simple, no tools required. The cover's attached using this pre-applied automotive grade adhesive tape for a quick and secure application. You're just going to want to make sure you clean and prep that surface as thoroughly as possible for the best long-lasting adhesion. So on our difficulty meter, we're going to rate this install a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches, and it should only take you 30 minutes, probably less to complete. Now, let's see exactly how these go on with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
But when you start doing your install, the first thing you want to do, especially with this type of adhesive, is clean the area that you're going to install the filters to. You want to always clean it really, really good. So you're going to use some type of alcohol or iso pad or whatever to make sure it's clean and get all the grease off of it. Okay? First we're going to do, we're going to take the back piece off first. So we're going to remove the tape that's on here. As you can see, it's in red, real easy to take off. Sometimes it is. Make sure it kind of stays on. Like so. Make sure everything stays where it's supposed to be. Alright, so now as you can see it here, I've already cleaned my area. I'm about to put this on here. I'm going to start in the front and kind of come to the back. Fit in there really, really nice. You can see it snug. It fits really snug on the outer handle. So that's the frame of it that you can see right there. Alright, now here is the one that's actually going to go on the actual latch itself. Same thing, you cleaned the area already. We're going to take the protective tape off the adhesive. We're going to do the same steps as before. Make sure it's nice and snug. All right, here we go. All right, so same thing, you want to make sure you kind of line it up. So when you're looking at it, as you can see, it fits right here on the door. Same thing, I'm going to start here. Make sure it's on there really, really good. That it fits real snug on the back. As you can see, it fits right there in the indentions right here. Pushed in really well. Make sure it's seated, and there you go. Now, we're going to do the other one here in a second, but I want you to see the difference in the two. So this right here, when you pull out your pack, you're going to recognize one of them is going to have a hole in it. That's a good thing, because when you start looking at your doors on your vehicle, you'll recognize that that's where the key goes. Okay, so this will let you know, this is the only one that'll let you know where you need to put this one. So this is a unique one. It has to go in the same place on the door. We would clean it off really, really good. Make sure we don't have any type of oil on it. All right, same thing, as the area is clear, I'm gonna start in the front, let it sit, see, then push it to the back. Real simple, just like that. Apply a little bit of pressure, make sure it seats, and sticks like that, and there you go. Then we're gonna install same way. These are no different, they're all the same, just like this. The only difference is this particular door is the driver's side door for when you have to put your key in. All right, same thing, we're gonna take the protective tape off. All right, we're gonna look at it, make sure we seat it correctly. Same thing, it'll fit right perfectly on the door. Put it there and seat it. Perfect. All right, just to show you what we used, all we had to use was our alcohol wipe. As you can see here, any alcohol wipe you take out. And again, you want to make sure before you apply the handles on the doorknobs, you clean it very, very well with your alcohol wipe to make sure there's no grease or anything on the doorknob before you install the actual handles themselves. And they will look very, very well, look good that way. Thanks.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the RedRock door handle covers in gloss black for the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.